Hey geometry students, this is Mrs. Hanvey. I'm creating this video to help explain how I want you to study and fill out your study guide for Unit 1 test, which we will be having this week. All right, so this slide is where you're going to find my video once I upload it. So you can go back and reference that if you need more help on the instructions. Here on slide 2 is a description of something that is going to be tested on the test. It's going to be the midpoint formula. So you'll notice here, I want you to either insert a photo from the internet or from your notes, or you could just type in a description that will help you understand the midpoint formula. And then in this box is where I want you to upload a video. That way, when you're studying, you have some resources to go to. All right, so let's go ahead and fill this one out first. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to Google and I'm going to search the midpoint formula. Notice it kind of already comes up because I already searched it. And then I like to go up here where it says images. So I'm just going to look at all the pictures. I try and find the one that I think is the most descriptive. I kind of like this one because not only does it have the midpoint formula, but it has a picture of it and it has an example. So I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot of that. And I know you might have these X's and stuff, but that's not a big deal. I'm sure you guys are pretty good at this. And then I'm just going to screenshot that. And then I'm going to go back to my study guide. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And then I can hit Control V to go ahead and paste that in there. Or you can also just hit that insert image. And you can search from the web, or you can upload from your drive or your photos. You can also upload it by the URL code. And you can also take a picture of your notes if you wanted to go ahead and upload it from your notes. All right, and now we're going to go ahead and, so this is a visual to help you understand it, and then I want you to upload a video that will help you understand how to solve or how to find the midpoint of a line segment. So what we're going to do is we're first going to go ahead, we already searched it, so we can just go on up to the top where it says videos. I'm going to click videos, and I'm just going to pick whichever one. You'll want to watch a couple of them and pick which one makes sense to you, but I'm just going to click this one, and then how to share it. It's going to have a little advertisement, of course. I'm going to skip the ad. Okay. So to share it, you would just click here where it says share. You're going to copy that embed code. And then you're going to go here and click, let me take that out. And then you're going to hit insert video. So make sure you go insert video. And then it'll ask you for the URL code. You just hit that. And it says it has that picture. You click on it and you hit select and it will insert it into this slide. And then I like to resize it just so it fits in that box. Okay. And then obviously you want to watch a couple videos to help you and make sure you understand it. And then once you understand it and you have a visual or a description, you can just type in the description if you want, how you actually would find the midpoint. So you don't have to have a picture if you don't want. You can just go, to find the midpoint, you add up the X values and divide by 2, or however you want to describe it in your own words. And then right here, what you would do is now use what you learned from the video or from your notes or from that picture, and I want you to actually solve this problem, okay? So one of two ways you can do this. You can write it on a piece of paper, which I highly recommend. That's the easiest way. And then just upload a picture to show your work right here, and then make sure you just type in your answer once you get it there. So you should be able to just click in this text box and type your answer. I'm just randomly doing something. But I do want the work as well, not just the answers, so that if you do make a mistake, I can look at your work and figure out where you might have made a little mistake. You can also go here, insert, and you could go to line, and you can use the scribble feature, and you can attempt to go ahead and write on this. I know it's really hard to do. And you would just click here and keep scribbling. scribble. And then you could actually just write on your slide, but I know it's challenging, so you would go -4. It's a pain in the butt, so I highly recommend you just take a picture of your work on a piece of paper and upload it. To me, that is a lot easier. Okay, and so you're just going to do that with all these slides. Just go through. I'm going to go to the distance formula once again, put in a photo or a description, and then insert a video from the internet. And you're just going to go through all these slides. There's about 16 of them, so that when you are done with them, you should be prepared and ready for your test this week. Okay, so thanks for watching, and happy researching.